welcome here. Today I'm going to be showing you a little shop with me at Dollar General of all places. I actually went in there the other day and saw that they had some really cute fall decor. So today I went there with my daughter, we looked around, I took some video of that, and then I actually have a haul for you at the end of today's video. So definitely stay tuned for that to see what all I got. But I'm going to keep this intro super short, so let's go ahead and jump into the video. Alright guys, so as we walked in, there was a display here, and I thought that this maroon arrangement in this black vase was so pretty. I did notice that a lot of their decor had this maroon accent to all the items. And this arrangement was so cute. I love the little acorns. And this was my favorite. For $12, I loved the yellow leaves. I may go back for that for our bedroom. I haven't decided yet. But here's one of those maroon pumpkins, a maroon vase. Like I said, a lot of their items like this Give Thanks has that maroon pumpkin. It's really pretty. And then this $12 vase as well. I like the deeper color. They had a bunch of florals. I really like the orange. I'm really gravitated towards that this year. And then I noticed this really big, pretty black vase. It was only $10. And then they also had these gold leaf accent decor. They had 3 different kinds, and I thought those were kind of cool. And that's another thing, I'm really gravitated towards gold, if you haven't noticed. The big candlestick holder was $12 and the smaller one was $10. They also had them in black. And then I loved these natural wood bowls. You could use them for so many things. I also just like them stacked together like that for a shelf decor. And then this was really pretty. I love the copper. I have a lot of copper in our kitchen this year. And then this cheese board, it isn't really a fall item, but it would be pretty to style with fall items on top. I think it's really pretty. And then there's this gold leaf, say it's like a plate or basket type thing, but I thought it'd be pretty to display on an island or something like that. And then these baskets, I think the small one's $12 and the big one's $16. I don't know what the middle one was, but these would be so pretty to put a bunch of pumpkins inside because they would peek through the sides, as well as these baskets here. Also, they had these 2 pretty signs, only $3 each, so $6 to have that really pretty art. And then over here, they had some cute fall things, some cute mugs. I really like these pumpkin ones. They gave me anthropology vibes. I like the orange and the white. They also had these pretty floral arrangements for, I think it was $6 or $9. And then back here they had some pretty copper lid mason jars. They had a leaf pattern and a pumpkin pattern. And then down here I noticed this cute pumpkin garland. I love garlands. They had some more mugs, some candles, this $2 plaid one, and then these boxes with the gold and the leather, thankful and grateful. And then here were a couple pillows that I saw. Just some basic, fall ones. And then their rugs were each $6. So I let you guys see what all they had. So these are the prints that they had, a few different kinds. And then I really liked this arrangement too for $8. And then they had this copper and beaded pumpkin for $10. And then also this plaid bucket. I thought that basket would be cute to put a blanket or something in for $8. And then these $5 pumpkins were soft with that copper stem. I also like that candle had the copper lid on it. And then this glass pumpkin was beautiful for $10. I think they have something similar this year in the Target dollar spot though for cheaper. Then that pretty jar, I love that yellowy orange color. And then they had another copper sign. They also had these really cheap $3 little floral arrangements that would be pretty on a shelf. And then this little dollar pumpkin would look really cute with the bigger one with the copper stem. They had just a few towels in my Dollar General, but I loved these rolling pins, especially this Give Thanks. It's so cute. They had some basic garland, some scarecrows, and then look at this dough bowl. It's so nice. This is the dark shade, and then they have the natural wood shade, and they had 3 different sizes each, and I thought those were really nice. And then I also found this stem for $6. And then these aren't fall related, but how adorable. I actually made a DIY sign just like this, but this one's way cuter. I made it a long time ago, but I just thought these bathroom signs were hilarious and I wanted to show them. Okay guys, we're all back from shopping and I did get a few bags worth of stuff. So I wanna go ahead and jump in and show you what all I got. Now, the first thing I got is this. So I did show this during the video. I thought this was so pretty. Look at it. The copper color is perfect for my kitchen area. I don't know if you guys caught my apple cider bar and all of that from last year that I decorated, but I decorate with a bunch of copper, and I'm gonna be doing something similar this year. But I thought this honestly would be pretty for my table, my dining table. We don't have a huge table, and I thought it'd be pretty with a runner with this in here and maybe some florals in here. But I also thought this would be pretty for, say if you're hosting Thanksgiving, you could put pretty utensils inside of there, forks, knives, spoons, something like that. Or this would be pretty on an apple cider bar, putting like cinnamon, caramel, whatever in there. So I don't know, I haven't decided, but I had to have this because it was just so pretty, and I like that it had the wood handles, so that'll match with the rest of my decor. Okay guys, so I did show you some dough bowls, I guess is what this would be called. Well, it says Decorative Tray. Well, they had 3 different sizes and 2 different shades. And I showed you the dark wood in the video, but I really like this light natural wood. It matches the dough bowls that I have up on my shelves. If you didn't catch my last video, I have 2 of these, but are thinner, that I got from Marshall's. Well, this matches perfectly. And I thought this would be pretty to put my candlesticks and candlestick holders that are on my entryway just right on this. So that'll tie in with the wood a little bit, and then it won't just, the candlesticks won't just be directly on my counter. I think it'll look pretty on this tray. And this was only $10. I feel like that is such a good deal. If you look these up on Amazon, they can get so expensive because I was pricing some and they were like $20, $30. So for 10 bucks, I feel like that's awesome. Okay, so next I picked up this mug. I can't believe it's only $3. This is definitely giving me anthropology vibes. I love it. It's just so pretty. I really like the orange too, but I thought the white would just be more neutral, and I might use this for Halloween time too. I'm thinking of, I have something in mind that I want to do for my coffee bar this year, and I just think this would work for that. Okay guys, these next items I didn't show in the store, but I absolutely love them. They're kind of different. You'll have to tell me what you think. But they are turkeys. Oh my goodness, how cute are these? I thought these were adorable. They come with a bigger size, which is 7, and then a smaller size, that's 4. And I thought these would be really cute on my shelf, but I also thought they would be pretty as like a centerpiece for a Thanksgiving tablescape. We don't host Thanksgiving here, but I do think that if you do, that would be so cute to add to your decor. And the prices are really good, so I feel like this is something you would find at a Home Goods or something like that. So I was just really impressed. Let me know, do you guys think these are cute, or do you think they're just gaudy? I don't know. I've been seeing like Liz Marie Galvin, she decorates with pheasants and turkeys, so that's what inspired me to want these. Okay, so next I did show these in the video. They have these dollar mason jars with these copper lids, and they have leaf ones and then they have pumpkin ones. Well, I'm so excited I found these. You guys have no idea. I needed some canisters for my apple cider bar this year, and I was going to just spray paint these lids of these old, you know, those Starbucks coffees you can get from gas stations. I was saving those and I was gonna use those, but they were just kind of awkward shaped. Well, I saw these for only $1, which is cheaper than buying one of those coffee drinks. So I thought, yes, I definitely need those. And they have like a leaf imprint on here, if you can see that. But I just thought these would be pretty, and this color matches the copper items that I have for my apple cider bar already perfectly. So these are awesome. I did pick up 3 of them. I thought I could use all 3. I needed 3, so I'm just very, very grateful I found these. And then like I showed earlier, this copper matches perfectly. So there's gonna be a lot of copper accents in my kitchen this year. Okay, and also for my apple cider bar, I thought it would be so cute to add this little basket to my tier tray. This was only $3, and how adorable will this little basket be with some apples stacked in there and just placed on my tier tray, because it's really tiny. I just thought that was adorable, so I had to pick that up. Okay guys, so the last item may seem kind of random. This was, how much? For $10, I found this really nice rug. Now, we have a rug on top of our crawl space in our bedroom, and I wanted to change it out. The rug is starting to get old, but I'm going to be using these exact colors in our master bedroom. I am planning, once I get the items that I want, planning on doing a fall master bedroom decorate with me, but this is perfect. So our colors are cream, black, white. Well, this is cream, black, white, and this rust. And I want to get certain rust pillows, a blanket, some other things, so this will match perfectly for our bedroom. But yeah, I feel like it's easy to forget about Dollar General because, you know, you don't really think of that store for decor. But every time I go in there, I swear I find some kind of decor item that I want. All right, so that is everything for my Dollar General Shop With Me and haul. I hope that you guys found some inspiration in today's video. If you did, please hit that like button for me. And also stay tuned because I have a apple cider bar and a kitchen decorate with me coming really soon. I just finished ordering some really exciting things I'm gonna use for it, so I just need to wait for those to come in, and then I'll be filming that for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a wonderful and blessed day.